how to open 10,000 NFTs on OpenSea with an application. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can upload 10,000 NFTs online on OpenSea in just a matter of minutes. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, before I begin, this video is a little bit complicating it, but it's not that complicated. You just need to have a few things installed. Number one, you're going to need to have the Python program installed, especially 3.10.4, the latest version of Python installed, because it's going to help us a lot. And you're also going to need to download this open source program called NFT devs, NFT upload to OpenSea. This is an open source program. If you just simply search for it, you can go ahead and find it. And once you found it, just simply click on code and just download it as zip. And once it's downloaded, just simply extract it, and then this is how it will look like. So this is how it is over here. Now it's going to ask you for requirements, which is going to have like Selenium 3.14, but it's okay. All we need is Python and this program, and we're good to go. Now what we're going to need to do is we're going to copy this directory, and we're going to open up cmd, the command prompt, and we're going to paste that directory, and we're going to click on OK. We're going to type cd space, and then we're going to copy and paste that directory, and then hit enter. Right, again, let me just try this again. We go over here, we copy the directory. Now I've pasted this program into the C drive, so it should work now. So again, cd space, we paste that and click enter. Boom, there we go. Now it's selected. Now what we need to do is we need to go back to Chrome. All right, and then we need to add these over here. So we need to copy paste these codes over here. So we need to copy this one on the second one, pip install /r requirements. We're going to go back and we're going to paste this over here, and we're going to click on enter, and it's gonna download the newest version and install it. As you can see over here, boom, it's successfully installed. We're good to go. Now we just simply run this one over here, this final code, the third one. We paste it over here and we click on enter, wait for a couple of seconds, and boom, here we go. This is the code that we were talking about. Now over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different options. We have OpenSea collection link, start number, end number. We enter in the price, we enter in the details, description, NFT image format, external links, Polygon blockchain if we want to. If not, we can leave it that. And then we can add NFT folder over here, open Chrome browser and save form, and click on start. Boom, pretty simple, really easy, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Now, first things we're gonna have to add is the NFT collection link. So open up your OpenSea account and add in your collection link. So it should be over here. Let me just go ahead and click on OpenSea. All right, connect my wallet. It's already connected. Good. Now we go into our profile over here, go into my collections. It wasn't connected. I guess we have to do that again. Wait for a couple of seconds. Let me just sign into my MetaMask wallet, and then we are good to go. Okay, it works now. All right, we're good to go. Now what we need to do is we have this collection right here, right? You already have this collection. We have some NFTs installed over here. So let me just go ahead and can we like remove them or something? Okay, I guess we can. Okay, so whatever, we'll just copy the link for this collection. Here we go. Now we open up the program, which is this one. We paste that link over here, and now we enter in the start number and end number of our NFT collection, which is over here. So 0 to 49. All right, we add that. Start number is 0, end number is 49, and the price for it should be 0.0005. Title can be let's say budget punks over here, and we put a hashtag in front of them so that when they put the numbers in, they have the hashtag in front of them as well. And then we add in the description, and then we add in the image format, and we right click over here, go to properties, and the image format is .png. We open up the program and we enter in .png, and we don't have an external link, so we'll keep that blank. And yes, we want to upload it onto Polygon blockchain. Now we add the NFT upload folder, and now we just go ahead and select the folder where we have our NFTs. So I put them over here in the downloads and compressed. I have them over here in collection. I have the assets over here, and I click on select folder. and we already have the browser, right? But I guess we have to do that because you can't, upload the NFTs onto the browser. You have to connect the browser to, your account. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and click on OpenSea over here, you know, and open this up over here. And then again, log into my MetaMask wallet. Over here, we have to do the process all over again, and I have to install the MetaMask wallet as well and log into it as well. So this is pretty good. I can show you how you can do that as well. Okay, now we just add the extension, wait for a couple of seconds for it to be installed, and once installed, we are good to go. All right, here we go. We just simply turn on sync. All right, we don't need to actually sign in, but if you want, you can go ahead and sign in, but we are good to go. Now we just simply click on get started and we create a new wallet. If you want to create a new wallet, you can go ahead and do so, but if you want, you can go ahead and continue with the older wallet as well. So just simply click on import wallet and you can go ahead and import the wallet by using your secret recovery phase as well. Now, for this one, since I'm, doing a fresh, account, I just feel like I should create a new wallet from scratch as well. So just simply going to go ahead and do that. And I'm just simply going to enter in the password over here and agree to the terms and services of the use and click on next. And now over here is going to be my secret recovery phase. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and reveal that and add it and then move on. And now I just enter in my MetaMask wallet, secret recovery phase for my MetaMask wallet, and I'm good to go. And once you've entered in your secret recovery phase, boom, congratulations, you are good to go. Simply click on done and here you go. You have now created your account. So now we go back over here and, we reload the page. Actually, let me just go ahead and do that. Now we just simply click on the wallet icon and we enter in our MetaMask account over here. Yes, connect over here, connecting, boom, here we go. Now we create a new collection. All right, sign the transaction. Oh, actually, I'm just simply creating a NFT. Let me just go back and create a collection. Go to my collection, click on create a collection, and it's very simple. Add in the logo image, your featured image, the banner image, and you will be good to go. So for the logo one, you can add in any image you want. So I already have it. So I'm just simply going to choose this image. For the featured one, I'll choose this one as well. Or actually, I'll choose this one. And then for the banner one, I also have it. So it should be in pictures. Here we go. This is the banner image that I created. We can go ahead and add that. Here we go. This looks nice. Then you can add in the name. We'll call it Budget Punks 3.0. You can add in the link over here as well. So Budget Punks 3.0. Here we go. This is going to be the links. Okay, so the URL is already taken. Here we go. That looks nice. You can add in the description over here, whatever you want. Then you can add in the category. We'll just call it art. Boom, there we go. Creator earnings are going to be over here. I'll just say 10% and just enter in my MetaMask wallet account, which is over here. Paste that over there. Ethereum. Yes. Actually, we'll change it to Polygon and contained and click on create. Wait for a couple of seconds for it to be, created. Boom, here we go. Now that it's created, we'll go ahead and copy this link and just paste it into the program as I said earlier. So we'll just copy that over here. Boom, there we go. Actually, we'll go with one over here. And now we just simply click on start and it should work. Okay, so I think I found why it's not working. It's because that my version of Chrome driver, is version 100. And this session only supports the version 96, okay, which is pretty weird, but I'm sure for you it will work. I don't know why for me it didn't work. Okay, wait, let me see over here if I scroll up. Okay, that's a lot of, it's the same messages at once. Okay, so for me, the Selenium was installed, all right, and it's good to go. Everything looks good. Everything is positive, but except for the Chrome drivers. Now I can't just decrease my Chrome drivers, but this should work. This is what it was supposed to do, but I'm pretty sure it didn't. So for you, it might work. For me, it didn't, but I think I will end this video right here. I will come back and maybe upload another version of this video, hopefully. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just follow the same steps and I hope you can, do it. And it should work, definitely will work, but for me, because my Chrome version was not a 96, it didn't work. So make sure you are using Chrome version 96 and then it should work. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.